And now for something completely different. I found this lawnmower last year, and the primer bulb is dead. And I can't find another one of this style. I've got 100 of those little clear ones, but every time I try to start this thing, I wind up having to use the huffing juice. So we're going to do something that I always wanted to try. Yep. Got a $20 VM22 Mikuni clone. And we're going to hook that on there. If that doesn't fit, I got this little one too. I'm not sure. Same bolt pattern, much smaller. I should probably try this little one first, but we're going to go right with the big one. Why not? Alright, let's get started. We got a box of parts here, and even got a throttle. I don't know where we're going to put that. I doubt if we're going to be able to get it, whatchamacallit, running off the Carburetor. I had a fever dream that we got this thing running off the governor, somehow hooking that with a spring up to the Mikuni. But I doubt it. I doubt if that's going to happen at this juncture. Take this cover off. Alright. Get that out of there for a minute. Whoa. Yeah, it's pretty clean. It runs really well. Once it's warmed up and running. But that's the damnedest thing to start. I rebuilt the carburetor a couple times. Jank that off of there. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, see that diaphragm shot. Maybe it's just the hose. Maybe it's just that hose. Let's see something real quick. Get out of there. If we could replace that with a short little piece of hose, just to see something. No, that's too big. That's electrical. What do we got? What do we got? We got an 80 that's in pieces. Waiting for the whatchamacallit, the timing gear. This is a 50. It's funny, the 50 uses 3 and the 80 only uses 2 bolts, of which one got conka-chonked. Bent the heck out of that thing. I'm just going to put this piece of hose onto this. Well, just put my finger over it. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's just got any suction. Put that to there. Oh yeah, it's working now. I'll be dipped. I just saw fuel. Look at that. Put that back on there. See if I can show you guys. See that? Fuel is pumping. Fuel is pumping. Okay, never mind. There we go. Interesting. I really want to put, just to see if we get this thing to run. Sun. So all that time, that's all it was a bad. Get some of this in there. That gas is probably 2 years old. Nothing. There it goes. Woohoo! Well, I cleaned out the combustion chamber anyway. Back to where I was. You go over there. Yeah, I cleaned this carb twice. I don't know what its deal is. Okay. I don't think there's much fuel left in this thing. Yeah, it's almost empty. Come on, you can go. There we go. Come on, get off of there. Yeah, get off of there. Oh, missed my eyeball. That's cool. Come on. Come on. Don't lose the gasket. And this pops up and out. That little spring. Set that out of the way. But yeah, I cleaned this carb a couple of times. And like I say, once it's running, it's running. Yeah, that fuel is pretty bad. It's clean-ish. Choke works. Yeah. I don't know what its problem is. Put this on there so you can get to the drain. Put that back together. Alrighty, set that on the side. And now, for something completely different. Hex! Put a hex on you. There we go. Get this out of there. Yeah, that was loose. Wow, that was loose too. And then that comes out of there. Nice gasketage. Yeah, we just spun that thing. Alrighty. That's pretty horrible. Alright, now does this fit any which way? Yeah. So how you guys doing today? It's Good Friday over here on the ridge. Is that going to seal against that? Probably not. Probably good enough. And I'm going to need a Allen wrench. Yeah, stick it through there. It's one of those wobbly bits. You go on an angle. Just touch it. Yeah, it's Good Friday. Tomorrow's Easter Bunny Saturday. Hope you guys are awesome. It's pretty nice out today. It's a little overcasty. BC is doing BC things. And it's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, about 10 C. Get just a little bit of a little bit of help. All right, let me look through the hole. Yeah, I think it's sealing. I think it's sealing, not sealing. All right, where's our carby? Here's our big Makunai. Oh, it's gonna hit the base. Oh man, I really wanted to put this on there. We'll put it on upside down now. That won't work. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Just a little bit more. That should do it. Nice. It's almost there. Oops, hit the aluminum. Yep, that's it. We're in it to win it now. I really want to make this fit. This has always been a bucket list of mine, to put a carburetor on a lawnmower for some reason. I'm not sure why, but this is me doing me things. This little one would fit better. Alright, let's try the little one then. Screws in from the backage. Has it got a gasket? Yeah. Alright, we'll do the littler. We'll do the little ones of the two. This one only cost me $15. Should be enough. Put that back together, put that on there. Hang this here for a second. Oh, yep, no, go back on there. It's the on-off valve. You go on there. You go over there. You go on there. Go on your home. Get the 10 back on there. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks pretty cool. I could bang that back a little bit now. So yeah, we'll take this and hook it to this. And we'll put this and hook it up to this. Got a fuselage. Try this now. It's got a big old kink in it. Kitchen kink. Okay, go in there. On there. You go on there. You go in there. And there, we'll just put a little bend in it. Cut off the rest. Alrighty. Come on. You can do it. Good enough for testing purposes. Yeah, you want the curved part to go towards the front. There we go. Okay then. Alright, let's see if this runs. Son, got to put a carburetor on it. It'd be funny. Oops. Oh, spilling all over the place. That's perfect. Hey! Look at that! To answer your question, yes, it does work. Thanks for coming to Jeff Tech Metal Garage. I'll catch you on the next one. That was crazy. Can't believe we did that. Hit the one right there. Yeah, that's the one that you want. Join the Beans Battalion.